Emma, today is New Year's Eve. We need food for our party.
Sure. What do you want to eat?
Maybe a cake, soup, and fried chicken too.
Calm down, Liam. It's just the two of us, not an army.
I know, but I am excited. It is my first New Year in a foreign country.
Okay. Let's go to the market.
Wallet, check. Shopping list, check. Handsome face, check.
You look very serious today. Are you going to war?
It is a war, Emma. The war against bad English. Today, I want to prove that I can survive.
Ah, I see. A solo mission.
Exactly. Today, I will buy everything by myself. You cannot help me unless I am dying.
The weather is so nice. Emma, what do you usually do on New Year's Eve in Japan?
We do a big house cleaning, eat soba noodles, and watch music shows on TV. What about Korea?
Similar. We eat teakuk. It is rice cake soup. If you eat one bowl, you get 1 year older.
Really? So if I eat 2 bowls, I get 2 years older?
Yes, so don't eat too much. I don't want my roommate to get old fast.
Wow, so many people. Look at those colors.
Remember, you are the buyer. I am just a silent bodyguard.
Easy peasy. Follow me, bodyguard. Hello, I want to buy fruit for a party.
Sure. Apples are fresh today.
I want 3 apples and 2 corns, please.
Wait, stop.
What? Did I say something wrong?
Yes, corn is uncountable. If you say 2 corns, she thinks you want 2 small seeds.
Oh, right. I forgot.
You must use a counter. Say 2 ears of corn.
Sorry. I want 2 ears of corn, please.
Okay, here you go.
Mission 1 complete. Next, decorations.
Liam, do I look funny?
No, you look cute.
What if you wear them?
I won't wear them. I need to keep my cool look. Haha. Oh, these lights are beautiful. How much?
$10. It is on sale.
Wow, Emma, this shop has a very cheap price.
Liam, that is not quite right.
Why? Cheap means not expensive.
Yes, but we don't describe price as cheap. Price is a number. Numbers must be high or low.
Ah, I understand now.
You should say the price is low or the lights are cheap.
Okay, ma'am, the price is low. I will take it.
Thank you.
Okay, ingredients ready. Time for Chef Liam to show his skills.
Fusion soup, right? I have the fire station number ready.
Very funny, Emma. Just watch. Step 1. I will open the fire.
Wait, Liam, stop.
Why? I need to boil water.
We don't say open That sounds like you are releasing fire from a cage.
Oh, then what should I say?
For machines or gas stoves, we use turn on. Say it. Turn on the stove.
Turn on the stove. Got it. Smell good.
Smells good, but the color is strange. Corn and apples together?
This is art. Taste it.
Sweet and salty. It tastes like confused love.
At least it is edible. Oh no, why is it so messy?
You bought it. You fix it.
Please help me, Miss Bodyguard, or we will miss the countdown. So beautiful. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Liam, do you have any big goals for next year?
I want to speak English fluently. I don't want you to correct me forever.
Why? I love teaching you. Besides, your mistakes are actually cute.
But I don't want to just be the funny one. I want to be your smart guy.
You are already smart. Is there anything you didn't like this year?
Yes, I didn't like being lonely before I met you.
You represent a smooth talker.
Need to improve anything?
Yes.
What is it? Tell me. I'm ready to change.
Stop leaving your socks on the sofa. It smells.
Okay, I promise. No more socks on the sofa next year. It's time. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Next year, I will be a good cooker. Oh, wait, I mean good cook.
Good job, handsome cook. Let's learn some common English mistakes together. Don't worry, English is fun when you understand it. First, let's talk about corn. For one piece, don't say one corn. Instead, say an ear of corn or 1 ear of corn. For more than one, don't say 2 corns. Say 2 ears of corn or 3 ears of corn. Remember this rule. We add s to ear, ears, but the word corn never changes. Next, let's talk about price. Many people say, "This shop has a very cheap price," but that's not correct. A price is a number. Numbers are not cheap or expensive. Numbers are high or low. So you can say the price is low, but you can say the lights are cheap because now you're talking about the item. Next one, starting the stove. Don't say, "I will open the fire." That sounds like you're releasing a fire monster. We use open for doors, boxes, or windows. For machines, electronics, or gas stoves, we say turn on. So the correct sentence is turn on the stove. Now, let's talk about cook and cooker. If you say, "I will be a good cooker," be careful. A cooker is a machine, like a rice cooker. A cook is a person who makes food. So the correct sentence is, "I am a good cook." Before we finish, here's some bonus vocabulary. Miss Bodyguard, a cute nickname Liam uses for Emma because she protects him. Smooth talker, someone who is very good with words, especially for charming or flirting. and green flag, a sign that someone is kind, safe, and a great partner. Mistakes are part of learning, so don't be afraid to practice and speak. Learn a little English every day, and you'll be surprised how far you go.